This is what a Middlesex timesheet looks like. Timesheets must be submitted each week no later than 12 noon on Tuesdays. Timesheets get emailed to mcctutoring@middlesex.mass.edu. The first time you enter your timesheet, please make sure to change it so that it shows your last and first names. For example, I would put in last name Kelly, first name Beth. For the week ending, please enter the Saturday date for the end of that pay period. For example, week ending Saturday, September 16th would be for the work week of Monday, September 11th through Saturday, September 16th. So in the week ending box, we would put in 9, 16, 17. When entering times, please enter it as standard time only, no military time, no AM and PM. For example, let's say on Monday you tutor from 9 o'clock to 11:30. So we would go to Monday and you came in at 9 o'clock and out at 11:30 for a total of 2 hours and 30 minutes. In the total box, we would put in 2.5, using 0.5 to represent 30 minutes. Let's say that on Tuesday, you tutor from 1:15 to 4 o'clock. It would look like this. You came in at 1:15 and out at 4 o'clock. This would be for a total of 2 hours and 45 minutes. 45 minutes would be represented as 0.75, so 2.75. Notice how the total over here in the corner gets automatically updated. Now let's say on Friday you work from 10 to 11:15. So we would put in 10 o'clock for the time in, 11:15 for the time out. This would be a total of 1 hour and 15 minutes, or 1.25, using 0.25 for a quarter hour. However, let's say that on that same day, you then come in to work from 2 to 4. So the way we would do that was we would go back to the inbox. We would put in 2 o'clock for the time in, and for the time out, you would keep the 11:15, put a slash, and then 4 o'clock for the time out. Our total now is the 1.25 hours from the morning plus an additional 2 hours in the afternoon for a total of 3.25. And again, notice how the total here updates to 8.5. To save your timesheet, please save it as your name, the discipline, and the week ending. So for example, I would put in Beth Kelly, and for the discipline, it's going to be whatever discipline that you tutor in. So if you're a writing tutor, you would put in writing, math if you're a math tutor, or science, and so forth. And the week ending would be 9, 16, 17. Please submit different timesheets for different types of work. Tutoring and ramp-up are different timesheets. If you are an SI leader, in addition to being a peer tutor, please submit a separate timesheet for your SI time. The state law requires that if you work 6 hours or more consecutively on the same day, you must take a 30-minute break. Also, MCC student employees are not allowed to work more than 18.5 hours per week. That includes work in any department on campus. For example, if you work as a peer tutor and also in the campus manager's office, your total hours for both positions combined cannot exceed 18.5 hours per week. Please remember, timesheets are due Tuesdays at 12 noon. Email timesheets to mcctutoring@middlesex.mass.edu. The week ending date is the Saturday of that week. Quarter hours are represented as 0.25, half hours are represented as 0.5, and 3/4 hours are represented as 0.75. Please submit a timesheet each week and send an amended timesheet if any changes occur after Tuesday of that week.